In this hands-on activity, we will be looking at graph data in Gephi. First, we will import data into Gephi and then examine the properties of the graph. Next, we will perform some statistical operations on the graph data and then run some different layout algorithms. Let's begin. We are not running Gephi in the Cloudera virtual machine. On the Coursera website, there will be a reading with instructions on how to download, install, and run Gephi on your native hardware instead of in the virtual machine. Once you have Gephi started, let's import the data into Gephi. We'll go to File, Import Spreadsheet, and in the CSV dialog, we'll click the button with ... We'll choose diseasegraph.csv and click Open. Make sure that As Table says Edges Table. Click Next. And make sure Create Missing Nodes is checked. We'll click Finish to import the CSV file as a graph. Gephi now shows the graph in the center pane. The little black circles are the nodes of the graph, and the lines between them are the edges. In the top right, we can see that there are 777 nodes and 998 edges. Next, let's perform some statistical operations on this graph. In the Statistics pane, we can see average degree. Let's compute the average degree of the graph by clicking on Run. This says that the average degree is 2.569. Let's close this. Let's compute the connected components. We'll click on Run. We'll leave this as a directed since the graph is directed. Click OK. It says that there are 5 weakly connected components and 761 strongly connected components. Let's close this. Next, let's run some different layout algorithms over the graph. In the bottom left, we'll go to Choose Layout. We'll choose Force Atlas and click Run. Click Stop to stop the layout. We can see that Gephi has grouped strongly connected components together in different clusters. We can also see that there are parts of the graph that are not connected. Let's run a different layout algorithm. In the combo box, choose Fruiteman-Reingold. Click Run. After it runs for a few seconds, click Stop. Then click the magnifying glass, Center on Graph, to see the whole graph. In this layout, all the nodes appear to be equally spaced, but we can also see the nodes with many edges.